Hi, Pearson, the science teacher. I welcome you to the lesson of today. So we want to talk about the van der Waals equation. Now, this van der Waals equation is one of the most crucial equations in chemistry, and we use it when dealing with real gases. All right. So what's this equation? So this equation is basically a thermodynamic equation that just describes the behavior of real gases. But when we say real gases, what do we mean? Do we have fake gases as well? Not really. When we say real gases, we refer to those gases that deviate from ideal gas behavior, which is assumed in this equation here, okay, where the P is the pressure, the V is the volume, N represents the number of moles, R happens to be the gas constant, and T happens to be the temperature of the gas. All right, so real gases have properties that differ from ideal gases, and these properties, such as the intermolecular forces. In the van der Waals equation, we're going to see it being represented with A, the volume of the molecules, and also the collision diameter in the van der Waals equation presented by B. All right, so real gases include air, include carbon dioxide, methane, hydrogen, and oxygen, to mention but a few. So these are real gases, right? So let's now review the van der Waals equation. So the van der Waals equation is just looks like this. We have pressure added to A n squared over V squared. Okay, then here we have the volume minus NB. Then we have all this equated to NRT, of course. So we want to know what these variables mean now. Okay, so we know that P is pressure, we know that V is volume, we know that this A is this A that we talked about here, the intermolecular force. So it's the van der Waals constant. So A is the van der Waals constant that relates to the intermolecular force of attraction between molecules. Okay, then we have N, which happens to be the number of moles. We've got V, the volume. We've got N, the number of moles again. We've got B, and we talked about B. We said this is the van der Waals constant that referred to the collision diameter, or the size of the gas molecules, right? And this N again is the number of moles. R here is the gas constant, and T is the temperature, right? So this is basically the van der Waals equation explained, simplified, right? Thank you very much. It's Pearson, the science teacher. Let's end together.